So we're looking at this tractor and it's registered to go on the road. It's got the 4-in-1 bucket. It's a Lenar tractor JL254 Mark II. And it's a bit of a shame though. The plastic's gone all foggy here, that's a shame. It all looks okay, it's only a little tractor. The PTO is not working, and the cogs got all chewed up, so these are the cogs out of it. Chewed up. And she's got the sunroof, and it's 4-wheel drive.
Slow, you know.
Right.
It's no good if you want to go steering along the highway.
No.
But see, I just used it to do that.
Good.
And then
Launch your boat. Yeah.
launch the boat, but as I said, I had trouble getting in.
That's where the tractor was. In there. Water's just down there. He bought it to do his driveway. He got 24 tonnes of cracker dust on his driveway and he spread it out, and also a retaining wall here, and he's used it to take his boat down to the water, which is down the road here and down, so that's why the tractor's registered. Yeah, so used to go about a K down the road, I think, to the boat ramp. Maybe 2 Ks. Yeah. So. Yeah, anyway, it's an interesting tractor. It's a Mahindra, which is the Indian brand, which is a really cheap brand. Hoses seemed okay, the tractor ran okay. I brought it down a driveway, did a U-E down here and went back up again. And it ran okay, it's 4-wheel drive, it's got really low range. And Murray's got to go because his mum's in a panic. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, to be continued. Okay, so the question is, will I buy it? And it's a good tractor. It's a good light duty tractor. It's not a heavy farm tractor. It's not made for working in a field all day. It is 4-wheel drive. The bucket's in good nick. The hydraulic hoses are in pretty good nick. There's a little bit of rust in it. I wish it had been kept in the garage a lot more. You know, like here the plastic on the dash is just, you can't even see the gauges, it's so bad. There's a lot of signs of cheapness in the tractor. All the rubber and the hydraulic controls is all perished up where the hands go, and there's lots of rust coming in it. And the seat's torn, the seat's worn out, you know, and it's only had very light use, this tractor. The tyres are in great nick, the engine ran really well. The PTO at the back's not working, the hydraulic lifts are, but the PTO is not working. And at least 2 of the cogs inside it are destroyed, and here's what they look like. So there's 2 of the cogs out of the PTO, and those cogs should not break. They should outlast the tractor just about. So anyway, so a tractor, it's only for light use. I don't know why the guy's not keeping it to do up his front retaining wall there. That needs attention. I'd be keeping the tractor longer, but anyway, I don't think I'm going to buy it. But I enjoy watching these videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd upload this just to let other people know what's out there, what's available, what prices are in my local area. And anyway, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.